Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? So today I'm gonna give you a little quick review about this LED cup lamp. It's a really pretty nice um design or decoration you can add to your on your drawer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this. So here we have the light. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So as always, here's the instruction manuals. Be sure to read it first so you know what you're doing. Accessories that it comes with is this micro USB cable, which I believe is for charging the cup lamp. Let's put that aside. And here we have the actual lamp. As you can see, the outside, this part over here is made of glass. Looks pretty nice. On the bottom we have the on and off switch, the button, on and off button, and here we have the mode, you can change it. And this part over here is to change the brightness of the light. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Hold on. There we go. Now let's go ahead and change the brightness. Oh, that was actually max. Okay, now let's change the mode. As you can see there, it's yellow, but I don't know on your screen what color you're gonna see it. There's a red, this yellow is changing mode. So all in all, it has 7 modes of operation. It has 1000 milliamps of battery, so you can charge this for an hour, give you about 6 to 48 hours of light, depending on the modes you use and how bright you use them. It's kind of hard to change the mode and change the brightness here, but I guess it's just a decoration, so that wouldn't bother you that much. Let's actually go ahead and open the inside, see how it looks. Let me turn this off first. So here we go. Here's the actual LEDs. So it's illuminated by the milky white color here, plastic piece. So if you're interested getting one of these or owning one, I'm gonna leave the product link in the description below where you can get it from. And if you haven't done so, follow all my other accounts to stay tuned for my daily product reviews. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.